Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast to learn easy English. If you are new here, my name is Mia.
And my name is Leo. Today we have a really cool topic. We are talking about family. And you know what? Our Pop Off English family is growing every day.
So if you want to join the family, do it now. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share. It really helps us. And you will not miss our new English lessons.
Okay, Leo family, this is a big topic. Every person has a story about family.
That is true. And family is an easy topic for beginner English learners because you can use very simple words. But it is also a deep topic because family can be funny, crazy, or sometimes difficult.
Today, we will learn vocabulary for family members, talk about different kinds of families, and tell some stories about our own families.
And we will help you talk about your family in English. In a simple way.
Let's start with basic family words. Imagine one person. This person has a father and a mother. Easy.
Father, mother. You can also say dad and mom. Dad and mom are more casual, more friendly.
So we can say, this is my father, or we can say, this is my dad. Same person, same meaning.
Then we have children. Child is one person. Children is more than one. So, a child, two children.
Parents are the father and mother together. So if you want to talk about your mom and dad together, you say, my parents.
For example, my parents live in Spain. Or my parents are very funny.
Okay, so we have father, mother, parents, child, children. Now let's talk about brothers and sisters.
If you are a boy or a girl and your parents have another child, this child is your brother or your sister.
Brother is a boy, sister is a girl. Easy.
And together, brothers and sisters are called siblings. This is an important word.
Siblings. So if someone asks, do you have any siblings? They are asking, do you have any brothers or sisters?
For example, I can say, I have one brother and one sister. I have two siblings.
Or I can say, I am an only child. That means I have no brothers and no sisters.
Okay, Mia, tell us about your family. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one older brother and one younger sister.
Wow, you are in the middle.
Yes. My brother is older than me, my sister is younger than me, so I am the middle child.
The middle child is often a little bit crazy.
I am not crazy, I am just creative.
Same thing?
No, but let's continue. When we talk about age, we often say older brother, older sister, younger sister.
For example, my older brother lives in London. My younger sister is still in high school.
Now let's talk about bigger family. Not only parents and children, we also have grandparents.
Grandfather and grandmother. Many people say grandpa and grandma, or granddad and granny. There are many nicknames.
Yes, my grandmother is Grandma Rose. She is the boss of the family.
Of course she is. Grandmas are always the boss. What about grandfather?
My grandfather is Grandpa Joe. He gives me a lot of food every time I visit.
Grandparents are the parents of your parents. So my father's parents are my grandparents. My mother's parents are also my grandparents.
And you are their grandchild. Grandchild is one person. Grandchildren is more than one. If you are a boy, you are a grandson. If you are a girl, you are a granddaughter.
So I can say, I am the favorite grandson.
Are you sure about that?
In my mind, yes. In real life, maybe not.
Now let's go to a very important person in many families, the cousin.
Cousins are the children of your aunt or your uncle. So if your aunt has a child, that child is your cousin.
Aunt is your mother's sister, or your father's sister, or the wife of your uncle.
Uncle is your mother's brother or your father's brother, or the husband of your aunt.
So we have aunt, uncle, cousin. For example, my aunt lives in Canada. My uncle loves to cook. I have many cousins.
I think cousins are like bonus siblings. They are family, but they are usually more fun and less annoying.
That depends on the cousin.
True.
Now, family is not only about blood. It is not only about people who are related by birth. We also have family members by marriage.
Right. When two people get married, they become husband and wife.
Husband is the man, wife is the woman.
After that, you get in-laws. This is a big family word in English. In-laws are family from marriage, not from birth.
For example, your wife's mother is your mother-in-law. Your husband's father is your father-in-law.
Your wife's brother is your brother-in-law. Your husband's sister is your sister-in-law.
Actually, Leo, this is a little complicated for beginners. But we can remember just two important words today, husband and wife.
Yes, good idea. Husband and wife are enough for today.
Let's talk about different types of families. Many English textbooks show a traditional family, 2 parents and 2 children in a nice house with a dog.
Yes, the happy family picture with perfect hair and perfect teeth.
But in real life, families are very different. Some people live with 1 parent. That is a single-parent family.
Some people live with a stepmother or stepfather. Step means not your biological parent, but the new husband or wife of your parent.
For example, if your mom marries a new man, he can be your stepfather.
If your dad marries a new woman, she can be your stepmother.
And their children can be your stepbrother or stepsister.
We also have half-brothers and half-sisters. This means you share one parent, but not both parents.
For example, maybe you have the same mother but different fathers. Then you are half-siblings.
Also, some people live with their grandparents. Some people live with many aunts, uncles, and cousins in one house. Some people live alone, but their friends feel like family.
This is an important idea. Family is not always about DNA. Sometimes family is about love, support, and time together.
Exactly. Many people say, chosen family for friends who are like family.
Now, let's learn some simple sentences to talk about your family. This is very useful for small talk in English.
Small talk is simple conversation. When you meet new people, they like to ask about your family.
We start with an easy question. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
You can answer, yes, I do. I have 1 brother. Or, yes, I do. I have 2 sisters. Or, yes, I do. I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
If you do not have brothers or sisters, you can say, no, I don't. I am an only child.
Another common question is, are you married?
You can answer, yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
If you are married, people may ask, do you have any children?
You can answer, yes, I have 1 son. Or, yes, I have 2 daughters. Or, yes, I have 1 son and 1 daughter.
If you have no children, you can say, no, I don't have any children.
Son is a boy child. Daughter is a girl child.
For example, I have a son. He is 5 years old. Or, I have 2 daughters. They are very noisy.
Or very beautiful.
No, I mean noisy and beautiful, both.
Good save. Now let's practice describing your family in 1 or 2 sentences. Listen to some examples.
My family is small. I live with my mother and my younger sister.
My family is big. I have 3 brothers, 2 sisters, and many cousins.
I live with my grandparents. My parents live in another city.
I am married. I live with my husband and our baby.
I am not married. I live with my parents and my cat. My cat is also family.
Pets are a special part of the family. Many people say, "He is like my baby," when they talk about their dog.
Yes, I think many dogs have a better life than me.
To be honest, yes.
Okay, now let's talk about family personality. When we learn English, it is nice to say something fun about family members.
We can use adjectives to describe people. For example, funny, kind, strict, lazy, smart.
Strict means serious, with many rules.
For example, my mom is strict, but she is kind. Or my dad is funny and a little crazy.
You can also say, my sister is very smart. Or, my brother is lazy, but I love him.
Yes, love is important, even when your brother eats your food from the fridge.
Personal story, Mia?
Maybe.
A very common sentence about family is, I'm close to my someone.
To be close to someone means you have a good relationship. You can talk about many things.
For example, I'm close to my sister. We talk every day. Or, I'm not very close to my uncle. I see him only once a year.
Now let's do a short story to help you remember some of these words. Listen and imagine the picture.
My name is Sarah. I am 23 years old. I live in a small apartment with my older sister, Anna. We live in the city, but our parents live in a small town.
My mother is a teacher and my father is a taxi driver. They are very hardworking. I have a good relationship with my parents. I call them every weekend.
I also have a younger brother. His name is Tom. He is still in high school. He is funny, but sometimes he is lazy.
I am close to my grandmother. She is 80 years old, but she is very active. She likes to dance and cook. I visit her once a month.
I have many cousins, but my favorite cousin is Maya. She is like my best friend. We talk about everything.
This is my family. We are not perfect, but we love each other.
In this short story, we heard many family words: mother, father, parents, older sister, younger brother, grandmother, cousins.
We also heard some nice sentence patterns. I live with my sister. I am close to my grandmother. I call my parents every weekend.
You can use these patterns and change the words to talk about your own family.
For example, I live with my parents. Or, I am close to my cousin. Or, I visit my grandparents every summer.
Okay, let's learn some questions you can ask other people about their families. This is very useful in conversations.
Here are some simple questions. Do you have any siblings?
Are you an only child?
Are you married?
Do you have any children?
Do you live with your parents?
Are you close to your family?
And some friendly follow-up questions. Follow-up questions are extra questions after the first question.
For example, oh, how many brothers do you have? Or, what does your sister do? That means, what is her job?
Or, where do your parents live?
Or, how old are your children?
When you speak with people about family, be polite and friendly. In some cultures, some questions are private, so it is good to listen and be respectful.
Also, remember that not everyone has a happy family story. Some people have problems in their families, so be kind.
Yes, and remember, you can also talk about your friends as family. You can say, My friends are like family to me.
I want to ask you, Mia, who are you closest to in your family?
I am probably closest to my younger sister. We send messages every day. She tells me everything, sometimes too much.
What do you mean?
I know every detail about her life. Her friends, her crush, her cat's feelings, everything.
Her cat's feelings?
Yes, the cat is angry today. The cat is sad. The cat is in love with the neighbor's cat. I know everything.
Wow, you are also close to the cat.
I guess so. What about you, Leo? Who are you closest to?
I am very close to my mom. We talk on the phone a lot. She asks me, "Did you eat? Are you sleeping enough? Are you warm?" Every day.
Classic mom questions.
Yes, but I like it. It feels like home.
That is sweet. Listeners, think about this question in English. Who are you closest to in your family?
You can practice answering in English in the comments after this video.
Now, before we finish, let's review the key words from today. Try to say them in your head when you hear them.
Father, mother, parents.
Son, daughter, child, children.
Brother, sister, siblings, only child.
Grandfather, grandmother, grandparents, grandson, granddaughter, grandchildren.
Aunt, uncle, cousin.
Husband, wife.
And some useful sentences. I have 2 brothers. I am an only child. I live with my parents. I am close to my grandmother.
My family is big. My family is small. We are not perfect, but we love each other.
Okay, this is the end of today's episode about family. Now you can talk about your family in simple English.
If this podcast helped you, remember to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
When you subscribe, you become part of our Pop Off English family. And we are a fun family. We don't ask you if you ate your vegetables.
But we do ask you to practice your English.
Yes, practice a little every day. Listen, read, speak, or write something about your life and your family.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
And now, go to the comments and answer in English. Who is in your family? And who are you closest to?
We will check your comments. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.